As a governor or as a public officer, everything is going on well. December 2018, that day was the day my former chief of staff was going to have Thanksgiving. And I was to attend that Thanksgiving on a Sunday. From that Sunday, I never came out, I never came down from my room. It was bad. There are words I don't want to use so that it don't look somehow. But those who attended the January 1st state banquet of 2019, we know that I never spoke that day. I just sat down there and I told my deputy governor to speak on my behalf. People didn't know what was going on. After that banquet, 12 midnight, I was taken out of the country because I thought it was over. When we got to Beirut, the doctors looked at me and I was looking at them. They were not telling me anything. They just said, look, we have to do so many tests. I was just not talking. They came by the next morning and said, look, it was bad. My kidney had gone. My liver had gone. And they were looking at me. I don't know who told Okewale that it was my wife who told Okewale. He now called. He said, look, what is going on? I said, what did you hear? He said the way my wife spoke to him, is everything okay? I said, of course, everything is okay. And of course, the present governor of the state was also in the known. And I never knew that I've been poisoned in our campaign secretariat. My textiles all black. So the doctors did everything they could do. The next day they came back. They said, what is happening to you? That everything is turning around. I said, how? They said, look, my liver is functioning now. My kidney is functioning. I said, but you've not done so much treatment. Well, I just kept quiet. And the glory of God, after about 1 week, they said, look, I can now go. I came back to Nigeria to start the campaign properly. And then I told those who are close to me, we will not stop in anybody's house for anything, no matter how close you are to me. If we are coming to a local government to campaign, and from the campaign there, I'm coming back home. Because I could not identify where. So for me, everybody was a victim. What was a suspect? I'm sorry. Everybody was a suspect. Because I don't know whom to and where it happened. So I said, look, this is the decision I've taken, not to stop in anybody's house. If you come to Gokana, even if you are the leader of that place, thank you. From the campaign ground, come back home.